So today we're going to start the upcycle process for this piece and this fabric. It's not even all the way around. There is a chunk of it here that's been cut. So, you know, not complaining though. It is 47 inches by 56. I thrifted them on the same day. Saw this, thought it was cute, didn't pick it up. Left it on the shelf. Left it on the rack. Went to the fabric section, saw this fabric. Went back and picked this up because self-explanatory. Going to upcycle it in a similar way to the IKEA striped one we did, but different. Same, but different. I'm very excited about the image I have in my head of what this is going to look like. So let's see if you can translate it. Okay, first things first. Opening up the side seam. Cut open the sides. Oh, and we've made the cut. No turning back. So I added 18 inches on the last one. So measuring from the hem of the sleeve all the way down to the hem of the bodice part of this jacket, this top. 34.25. So it's 18 in width, and in length I've measured 34.25, and then I need to add an inch on either side, the top and the bottom, for hemming. So that's 34.25 plus 2 inches, that is 36.25. I'm just gonna make it 37, so 18 by 37. 2 panels that are 18 by 37. Just realized I didn't take into account this huge chunk of the fabric on the other side that had been cut out. So I'm not gonna be able to do 2 panels of 18, but I've already cut it out. So I've measured from here to where this rip is, and it is 16. So I'm gonna have to cut down the original panel by 2 inches. Hemmed. I want to add a lace-up detail on the side. So I want to make rouleau. I think that's what it's called. Rouleau. Am I pronouncing that correctly? You'll let me know. I need to make rouleau to create loops with and put along both sides of this panel, the long sides. I'm gonna cut myself some 2-inch strips. Fabric is very thick, and the choice to make the rouleau from it was not my wisest. I can't believe I have to turn all of these. One done. So now I'm gonna sew this into the side. I'm gonna line it up all the way from the hem of the bodice of the blazer to the hem of the sleeve, and then sew it in. finished the bottom part of the sleeve. So this is gonna be cinched in. I bound the seams to match the bound seams of the jacket itself. But yeah, this is what we got so far. I'm gonna do the top. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. This is how much fabric I have left. It's gonna be a close call. Hoping for the best. Not only do I need to add a strip of fabric to both sleeves using this, I also need to create loops using this piece of fabric. This is it. Let's see. We'll see. So that top part is cut out, and this is what's left. Yeah. This is what's left. Which is honestly feeling like it's gonna be more than enough. Oh, I'm very pleased with myself right now. Very pleased. I finished it yesterday in the evening. I didn't iron it, nor did I cut off the stray thread. I was really excited and I just laced it up. I don't have long enough laces, so I used some short ones that I have. So this is what I originally intended for it. Puffy sleeve. But I also wanted to be able to lace it up completely. Oh my god, I love the laces on this. Like all the way down the arm. If you don't think that's gorgeous, I don't know how to help you.
Bye, have a great time.